Here's some sounds of what I'm getting hit with tonight. Okay, I can tune that out of it, but you see it's like all directions it seems like, but I can tune that out of it. Simply all I gotta do is turn my amp down a little bit. But I'm not gonna demonstrate that right now because I know the perps are watching, but anyway, this is what I'm getting hit with every night, folks. Listen. That's me in the microwave frying. Where the hell's the FCC? Where the hell's the ACLU? Where the hell's help? There ain't none. Just gotta sit here and fry.